when you must fall. You can take a ton of reckoning, but you can't take it all. There are times when I can help you out, and times when you must fall. There are times when you can live and die, and I can't help it all. You through storms, set on the hill. Say no more, now just be still.
We're built to last, folks.
Soon be paid. Look for something built to last.
You got to look for something built to last. Check this stock out, but guys, blocks halted trading. Got to watch how that thing opens. We just sold UVXY. We bought it at 2027, sold it at 2038. It's right now 2034. High was 2039. And we have a couple of other really good picks that are working out well right now. We traded VRX today very, very well. We bought VRX right here and sold it into the top of this. Did really well on VRX. And we have a couple of other ones that are doing well too, besides UVXY. Let's move the Dow's down 95 points. And let's move from the day trading side. Now we're going to move to the swing trading side and do a recap of everything. So let me move this over a little bit. Traded really nicely today. Daily goal. I do this every day. It's August 31st. It's 12 o'clock. It's 12. We traded UVXY. We traded VRX. And we traded SKLN. That's all the ones that I have on my sheet. Yes. So that's what we traded today. So from the results of those trades, did you make 100 to 500, 500 to $1,000, 1,000 to $2,000, 3,000 to 5,000? Made money in the demo, lost money in the demo, observing and watching. The team is built to last, folks, every single day.
Held by the corner, yes, a cloud held by the breeze. You can walk on coals of fire, but sometimes you must freeze.
So I have two really good picks working right now. The first one is my swing pick, which is UV, but besides that, the Dow's down 100 now. Look at UV going through 50. It's going through 50 now. Filled. Filled 50. It's a beautiful trading day. Sold 53, sold 58, sold 59, sold 59. My average right now is 19.59. Yeah. Look, my average cost on UV, 19.59. I still got that even block left. So we made unbelievable money today. Beautiful move on the UV. I told you it would go up to 1950 from 1959, which is my low. That's my average. So there's the low of the day. I only have 50 shares left just to hold my print. I I have 50 shares left from the trade I just did and I called out. My average cost is $19.59. It's pretty good. So right here, see that 50? Gone. Sold it. Okay. So that's what we got left. Just wanted to do it on the show. Made a point live. We have two other little stocks. The first one is SKLN. SKLN was a pick from last night. Bought the stock right here at 17 cents yesterday at the close. Traded 124 million. It opened up. I sold it over 20. Rebought it back at the open. Ran it up to 27. Bought it back under 20 and sold it over 20. We traded amazing on SKLN. So you say to yourself, man, which was like my comic this week. What was my comic? If you go to the MOJO Day Trading website, I have over 200 comics on the stock market that I've done. So if you go to the More tab over here to the right and you click comics, I have over 200 comic strips that I've made in the last 5 years. Mojo's coming into its 5th year anniversary. You want free chat room access? I'm in for that. Ooh, comics. How in the world does Pro Trader Mike hit so many picks that fly up on my chart? And this is the Mojo Day Trade Room. Carl, huge signal in the level 2. Stock's about to Heinz. See that? He's wearing the Mojo tie in the Mojo Day Trade Room. Watching the level 2, baby. Yeah, with the Moj. Gotta like the Moj. So beautiful movement on that. So we have another one, which was this. Just went to 77 cents. I just had to sell some. 77 cents, which is called In Sync. This is our swing pick. So how in the world do we get these picks that fly up like this? I do my research. That's how. I do my research. I do my research. And we're in another one right now. It's about to make a move. I'll give it to you. It's PPHM. See the base? You're going to see a bar similar to this. And you're going to be like, damn, how did we do it again? UV's moving. Again, 74.75. Look at the green day on UV. Oh, yeah. Definitely buying it back again. Look at that. So pretty. Got it in the swing with the covered calls. I got the 20. We'll do a recap. So this is the comic strip. Got a whole bunch of other comic strips right here. Please don't stop me out. You're way over margin. Auto close button. Some cool comics. See? Look, you're looking in the wrong place for stock news and updates. You got to go see Pro Trader Mike for that. Okay? Hey, where'd Ed go? He's about to get auto closed. He went off the reservation again. Don't panic if the stock market crashes. Pro Trader Mike does all the research. Just follow his picks. Now, if you don't believe me, that's a little problem we have in the room right now. Congratulations, traders. 11 of you made $1 to $500. 4 of you made $1 to $2,000. 8 people in the demo made money. No one lost money, and 2 people in the demo lost. And that's your own fault because Major made money in the demo today. My dog. So if Major can make money in the demo, you've done something wrong. You know what I mean? The 2 people that lost, you know what I mean? You should contact me. see what's going on, because if I could train Major to do it, I could train you to do it. Alan does it really well. So thank you for taking the poll. Now here's the words of Alan. Let's go up from this morning. So this guy's putting out all kinds of picks, Trader D. So when you put out a pick in my room, what I do, hold on a second, make sure I got my monitor working. Okay. So when you put out a pick in the room, I monitor it. So right here, Trader D, new to the room, put out MPET at 558. The offer was 565. It only traded 90,000 shares at the time. And this was his call. And then he called Gibson up at 23. So I track these. And if you can build a good track record of picking stocks in my room, more power to all of us that you do it. So I track those stocks. MPET is 547 to 52. So it fulfilled the signal in our prophecy of what went on. And the other one was Gibson. 21, we wanted to get it at 23, so we would have lost on both of those. And that's how I do that. So, you know, I have no problem looking at picks and checking them out and tracking them. SPU, we didn't trade that today, and some of the traders lost money on that. All I traded was 2 stocks, VRX and UVXY, and that's it. Okay. 2074. We sold up here into the highs on UVXY. I've been telling you for days. I have 30,000 followers almost on Twitter. Come join me on Friday. Come to my free chat Friday. If you're not on my email list, this pop-up will come up and you put your name on there and you get on the email list. And then on Friday morning, you'll be emailed a password for access to the chat room. And then you can come in the room and trade with us for the day. Now let's go over the results. Day trade results for the month, because the month of August is ending. This sheet contains now 5 years worth of trades. So we're looking at, started the month off trading UV in the $24 range. Now we're trading it in the $20 range. I traded it all month long. The blues are winners, the reds are losers. So this bunch of wins, 32 wins out of 34. 51 out of 54. 10 losses. Here's the new auto close play that we do. So out of the month, traded UVXY a bunch right here, just nailing it all day long like we're doing right now. Nailing it all day long like we're doing right now. Nailing it all day long as we're doing right now. And I'll fill in the last dates from the 29th to the 30th. But right now we've done 295 trades, 282 correct for 96%. Average scalp 15 cents. If you would have done 1,000 shares of every one of my trades, you would have averaged over $1,100 a day trading in the MOJO Day Trade room. Don't take my word for it. We have right here Alan knows to stay on the reservation, that UVXY is a money-making machine. If you trade anything other than Mike's picks, you will blow up your account. I make more than anyone in this entire room except for Mike, and in 4 years, I've only traded his picks. Go figure. So I really hope you're doing well in the other rooms, trading stocks that get halted, trading stocks that you shouldn't be trading. You know, you have to really force my hand to make a trade and get involved with a stock. This is exactly what I do. When people attempt to be fearful, I'm greedy. And when people are greedy, this is buying when people are selling and selling when people are buying. We simply attempt to be fearful when others are greedy and to be greedy when others are fearful. So when you're fearful, I'm buying. Okay? That's a fact. What was that other one? I like this one. It's better to hang out with people that are better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction. Man, if I can go play golf with Tiger Woods or Rory McIlroy or one of those guys, I for surely will. You're going to buy one of those stocks like whatever that SKLN, or I mean something that's risky. Right here, I never attempt to make money on the stock market. I buy on the assumption that the stock could halt at any given time. He says the assumption that you can hold it for the next 10 years. Well, he's a different kind of trader. On the day trading side, I never attempt to get into a stock that I'm shaky or don't know about because I think it's going to halt and I'm never going to get my money out of it. And if you have that strategy and mindset, you can trade pretty damn well. And if you scroll to the bottom, I have July of 2016. Finished huge, 98% accuracy. Then I've got June, 96%. Beautiful win streak right here from trade 186 to trade 272, 100 trade win streak. And you can go back 5 years worth of results by scrolling. And I please welcome everyone to see the trades that and the stocks that called that in the MOJO Day Trade room. So let's move to the swing trading results. The swing trading is a newsletter that gets sent out every Sunday night. I identify small cap stock picks that can be winner, and it contains 5 years worth of results as well. So if we scroll down, this month we started off, thank goodness, Sun Edison. I sold some at 13 and I took a loss when it dumped down to 6. So Sun Edison here, I dumped it at 7. I lost 44%, but I only had a little bit in it this time, so it was no problem. UV's moving 73 again. Traded some great ones this month. This is the month of August. Pipped from 44 to 52. I'll ignore anything under 5%. Let's move to SSY from 70 to 79 to 77. We got ESEA right here. We got 11% and 18%. We made 7 and 10 in dry ships. Magellan Petroleum from $1.20 to $3.50 to $4.50 made 275%. Gibson at 35 cents. That's why you guys are trading it now at 20 and 23. I've already traded it on August 2nd, way higher, so I really don't like it. MGNA made 42%. MGNA 57% on the second half. JDST made 7%. FPP made 15% right here from 85 cents to 98 cents. Stock actually did go over $1. UV new high of the day, 2080, folks. Better Online Solutions, 10%. Santa from 24 to 34. UV 2084, folks, new high of the day. Then we traded down here. Fuel from 234 to 289. Then STEM from 38 cents to $1.55 and 38 cents to 205 for a 439% win. UVXY new high of the day, 2086. It's going to 21. It's up 6.2%. Okay. Then we traded these NFEC 26 and 56%. Willie Co Foods from 481 to 581, a full stick for 20%. Then DPW from 76 to $1. Then Willie again right here, got out of that, got in INFI and XGTI for 57%. And then Wriggle yesterday from 290 to 379 for 30% on 129 scaled in and out picks, 119, 92% correct, average pickup 20%. You want to look back, here's 5 years worth of picks verified in a swing newsletter sent out every night to over 250 subscribers that are my retention rate in my swing trade newsletter is 90%. The money of people that make money in the swing trade newsletter are 90% and above. Does your swing trade newsletter, all you have to do is be in this one, be in the group, and you'll perform. I got a couple of new people that just joined on some of these amazing picks that I've done. Got a couple of emails right now in my inbox. Guy from joined yesterday. I'll show you a couple of them. I love getting these. Where is it? I get so many emails. I'll show you one from the room. Because what I do is I just help people and make people money. So like this guy right here in the room, where is he? Trader ESNC. He bought that one after watching my YouTube video, doing good. He made huge on that today. You're welcome, Trader Corey. Well, let's find where he did that. Right here. Nice coaching on the UVXY for Henry. I reached my goal for the first time. So Henry, thank you for coaching me on the UVXY. The lessons I'm learning are invaluable. Being new to day trading, you make it possible for anyone to be successful. Thank you. You got it, buddy.
Yes.
You got it, buddy. So those are the results for day trading and swing trading for the month of August as we're ending and going into a new 9. Gilmed 395, GLMD 11,000 shares going through Heinz, Galamed Pharmaceuticals fold. ESNC firming at 75, PPHM at 36, SKLN at 21. We've already traded and done. I'm removing it from my screen. VRX, maybe give us another opportunity. Otherwise, we're sticking strong. And I'll remove the swings because I'm done with both of these as well. So we're done for the day. I have nothing left to day trade. Completely done. I missed a short on Bank of America. I really like this short on this stock for sure. SVA 593 on a V-band spike right now on the 5-minute. I catch it before anyone's scanners do. However, it's very low volume, so we're going to have to pass. Beautiful move on VRX. The Dow finally went down 100 points, moving towards stopping station 18,330, down there towards 18,270. S&P down to 2,150. Going to go test that. Comp 51.96, reversed Hines under 5,200. Okay, nothing is better. Nothing is better than trading price. Trading price leads you to value. You think I'm kidding? Think I'm kidding? Trading price leads you to value. Don't ask. Look, Warren Buffett says it too. Look, long ago, Ben Graham taught me price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Whether you're talking socks or stocks, I like buying quality merchandise when it's marked down. And that's what I do. I buy quality situations when they're marked down and everyone can get into them as a group, because that's what we do. I'll have a couple of other swings that are looking pretty good. ABCD, my Cambian learning group. See, I want to show you something. Mojo swing picks. The market's down 100 points. You see it? There's no sellers. So when buyers come in and you can't short these, they go up really big. Let me show you a couple of other ones as an example that we have that there's no selling involved. So you have very low volume. VII actually went to 74 today, but it's very low volume. It made a spike up and came down. We have MOSI. See MOSI? We sold some up into the high, but look at the down day, no volume. Look at the up days, 100,000 shares. See? Then you got like the same thing. LRAD, 7,000 shares, but on the other days, 57,000. Then you have IDSY, 1,400 shares, but on the other days when we were doing it, you got 21,000. So it doesn't sell off on bad days. All my good stocks. You have Command Security up 2.3%. You have ROX holding very firmly, no volume, absolutely. Then you have MNGA, which went up huge on 600,000, but is only down on 60,000. So Mojo stocks, they don't really sell off when the market gets crushed, like some of these other stocks that are more popular in newsletters that they give you, which you might own Gevo the other day in the 60s, right here, when it ran up 59, 60, and so forth. And this one's down. So they don't hold up, and they're down on 1 million shares. You have other stocks, the Notorious Bunch. Here's another one. You have like, what are some of these other ones? The one I traded, people were in Better Online Solutions. They copied my pick and they're all getting destroyed. There's a couple of other ones like Cool, people got destroyed on. A couple other ones. Let me show you this couple other ones. This stock JMU, WOWO ads that we own. I gave it to a couple of people. Look at the WOWO. Okay, now you know that I like this stock, and I knew it would go up because of, let's do a poll, the WOWO that we own, JMU. And I knew no one could pick the symbol JMU or they would have copied me. Who was going to pick WOWO ads? No one. No one but me. Okay. Why did I pick it? And I knew it would go. Multiple choice. Because I did extensive research, which I did. So research was the 100% factor. The news on it. Direction. Or I like the name. Why did I tell you I liked WOWO? Because of the research, the news, the direction, or I like the name of it. One person? Really? You see how many people we have in the room. Maybe we have one person in the room today. There's only one person in the room? Oh no, we have a bunch more than one person in the room. So, oh, that people are taking the poll. So 7 people think the research, and 4 people like the name, and 2 people for the direction. It wasn't research 100%. It's because I like the name. The people that guessed I like the name, what other stock did I do a tag along with it that I like the name of that one, and it worked out beautifully as well. Just recently in this last month. Anyone know what the name of it was? Anyone? I love the name. Flew up. Same thing. Anyone? Starts with an N. First letter. Anybody? Naked Brands, correct. I love the name. NAKD, right here. I knew right here the stock would go from $3. I love the name, and it went to $4.49. Okay? I love the name. How the hell did I find the stock JMU? Okay? How? Because I've done my research. It's up 4.6, and it's going to go to the top of this, 449. Just like ESNC, this company. Now, where in the world did I get this one? Because I do the research. ESNC, million shares up 10.2%. Market's down 102. ESNC, got both of those. So let me show you the model portfolio. And if you would be in the Mojo swing, this is what you'd have. Anybody else that are coming out with these picks, you know where they got them from, right here. We are in medical marijuana, and we've been in it for a long time. This is the next purchase of it after we sold it last time. We're back in it at 5 cents. PHOT, which is called Grow Life, we're in at 0.95. And these are long-term, both of these. There's a special report that I did on the marijuana industry, and we own both of those. UVXY, we own it right here with the covered calls that I sold for $1, and we own it at 25. It's at 20.63. You're like, dude, you're losing. You're losing.
I'm so sorry.
You're losing.
Sorry.
But not really, because let me show you. $25. We made $1 in the covered call. Brings me to 24. Let's scroll down. Back on right here, I did a UVXY covered call that I made $1.65. So I go from 24 minus $1.65, puts me at a cost right now of $22.35. Okay, right there. So what happened again? I sold another covered call, and I collected that one right here of 90 cents. So 22.35 minus 90 puts me with a cost basis of UV at 21.45. But wait, it's not over. So then and I did it again right here. $2 made $1.50. So you take 21.45 minus $1.50. My cost on UVXY is $19.95. But wait, it's not over. It still gets good. Okay. So then right down here, I did it again yesterday and made 75 cents. So if you take 75 cents, it's my cost on UVXY from doing the covered calls is $19.20. So that's called covered call writing. Yeah, boy.
Oh, yes.
That's beautiful stuff. That's what it's called, covered call writing. When you do that, you could do anything.
There are times when you offend me, and I do the same to you. If we can't or won't forget it, I guess we could be true. Stop. I know you. Call it back, you never will.
Hey guys, you know what? FY, I didn't get the newsletter yesterday with all the profits from, I follow all these people in their newsletter. I like to see what all the other people do and what they trade and how they make money. And I didn't see any money being made. Cheapness. I love this quote right here. Check out this quote. Let me show you this quote from Buffett. Honesty is an expensive gift. Don't expect it from cheap people. Okay? So if you're speaking or following somebody that within the last, because listen, a zebra doesn't change his stripes. If last year you were broke and all of a sudden you're making money trading and you were cheap last year, you're still cheap. You just found a way to make money, finally. So, heed of warning. There are a lot of mentors and a lot of people trading in the market. Take a look and see their personality. Because don't judge a book by its cover. Right, Warren? Correct, Mike. That's all I got to say. Because look, when you get onto a penny stock chat room, this is the moderator. You're over here. You're $1 million trader? Cool. I'm like Mark Cuban. I own a sports team and trade penny stocks too. What's a good penny stock you got for me? There's your $1 million moderator. Real honest. And there's your fool-alongs trying to trade the penny stocks. There's a good one. Fast times at MOJO Day Trading. Hey, bud, better ask Pro Trader Mike about those awesome weed stocks. They're gnarly, dude. Spicoli. That's a good one. I see you will join the MOJO Day Trade room. Follow Pro Trader Mike's picks, and yes, you will find financial freedom. Live the American dream. Yes. Nice. Oh, this is Dory. When I saw it with my son. Where did I get this money? Was it Marlin, Mojo, or Nemo? Oh, or was it eBio, AXN, or Cali? Oh, darn it. All I know, it was one of Pro Trader Mike's picks. Hey, she found all the moolah. I love it. Pro Trader Mike said to look out. Why? There you go. There's the Mojo bubbles. Every one of these comics has a little mojo, like the Playboy bunny. Remember the Playboy bunny? On every Playboy magazine had a hidden one. I hide a mojo in every one of these, folks. Let's see if you could find them. Here's one. I'll throw you this rope if you promise not to follow Kramer's stock picks again or anything you see on CNBC. Only follow picks from Pro Trader Mike and be part of the Mojo team. I'm stuck in that other stock. I better start following Pro Trader Mike. See? See? Where's the hidden mojo? You see it? It's right here. Let's do another one. Let's do this one. Gotta find me my next big winner. Go to bed, you bum. Pro Trader Mike does all the research. There's my mojo right there. Let's see if there's another one. See, I got to find them myself. I don't even know where I put them or if I put them. I think there's another one in here somewhere. Right here, maybe? Nope. Nope. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's somewhere in here, I think. Where? Oh, I'm good. I can't even find it myself. I'm good. I'll have to look. It's in here somewhere. I'll look. This guy's got it right there on the computer. Don't say it or think it. The only one that can update your stocks and help you is Pro Trader Mike. Let's see. Let's see this one. Here it is right here. I could see it right here, hidden in the window. Here's a good one. During the 4th of July, Brad, just like your own stock picks, you think this is a good idea? He's got irregular fireworks. Like that. So I got one right there. Is there another one in here? It's got to be. I don't see it though. And that's it. So I got a lot of cool comics. Let's see what UV's at now. I love taking my eye off the ball with the market. So Dow's down 102. UV's 46. Did a nice little come down. Beautiful. We sold right into the 87. Beautiful. Where did it stop? 38. I'll rebuy some back. We'll do another trade on it. Any of these other ones moving? ESNC 75 now still. This one hasn't done it yet, but give it a chance. The Dow's down. UTSI still the same, 211. VII still the same. MOSI, LRAD, everything's still the same. Those aren't going to move today. Let's trade this back through 50. UVXY right through mini Hines, 50 right now. Let's trade it. Right through 2050. So you want to get long here, buy more, 49.50, sell through. Just clicking away, get everything lined up. Nice. Okay. GWPH, the stock from yesterday. Remember that one? Is headed through 82. But I'll pass. Traded VRX very nicely today. And that's pretty much it. So fuel's moving, I see on the right, but that's all. I wouldn't want that one. Great job, everybody. Just really super trading. It's just really nice trading today. Making money, making money, making money. That's all we do. Sold 53, 52. Sold 53. On the ask at 54, right there. Another at 52 and 53. So we got 52, 53, and 54 for the next move. There's 52's gone. 53's gone. And now 54. Great trading, everybody, today. Good trading. And that's beautiful. More money in the bank, thanks to UVXY again. And we'll just thank it again and again and again. And if it dips again, we'll buy it again and sell it again. So if it dips right here, we'll buy and start tapping again. And that's pretty much it. I don't want to, I see a couple of other stocks, but I really don't want to get into them and trade because I've reopened the store in MOJO Day Trading, by the way. So you'll see up top right here, I have the store where I'm going to be selling the following. I'm going to be selling some really nice shirts. MOJO Day Trading, t-shirts, champion t-shirts. I'm going to be getting from Nordstrom some really nice collared shirts with the embroidered, stitched MOJO Day Trading. I'm going to sell some of these pads. Some of my and the reason why, see, most people, when you start trading, you get a mouse pad. Do you know why this one is like this? It's in black. Because the white ones get so dirty. No, those are the reminders. But if it's all white, it gets dirty so fast. So you have to get a black one so it doesn't get dirty. Follow? I've already been there, done that. Okay? So that's nice. And I'll be selling these MOJO pens right here. I have a whole lot of these MOJO pens. And that's what I do. And I have my journals right here. So I have my MOJO journals, MOJO University, my Pro Trader journal right there. And that's it. You got a journal. You got it with the pen on the mouse pad. Get this mouse, which is the badass luminescent blue, amazing taser. At 54, here we go. Take my 54, baby. And then you got, I took 54, and then you got this great little keyboard, luminescent also. So in the dark, it's all blue with the big numbers. Looks nice. So UV, we bought it at 20.47, selling here, 54. Saw some more through. Great trading today. And that's what we do in the room. So I'm proud of all the people in the demo. You made money, and that's it. Don't forget my mouse pad and t-shirt with the MOJO pocket. Nice. Lewis's green. Nice. That's what I like to see, boys. You made that up. You made that $200 up, Lewis. Now you're green. It's like making $200. Beautiful job. Proud of you. Nice. So as I mentioned, oh, here's another one, TDW. Tidewater. Look, V-band break on the 5-minute with some good volume. TDW. See it? Low 311 on a $500,000 on the 1 + 1 = 4. Amazing, right? New York Stock Exchange on the bid and the ask and total control will shake you around and knock you silly. Okay? That's a fact. But it is a really nice one, isn't it? TDW. Mike gets them, boy. He finds them. He finds them. You want to see a stock going to go in Heinz right now? Here's a trade for you. Netflix through $98. Done right now. Watch. It's going to go. TDW will take a little piece of because I don't want it to spit on me. So through 335 signal where it just was, and Goldman's on the ask at 338, we'll knock that sucker out right there. I like it a lot because 1 + 1 + 1 = 4. And what else we got? So I'm not going to add it to the swing or nothing. I don't want to do anything like that today. Let all the swings rest for a day. So this stock looks pretty good. And what else? I got some at 33 just now. I got lucky. Signal at 35. So that's cool. This is that marijuana stock, GWPH. Keeping a good eye on this. There's going to be a lot of money made on this stock for us. Remember Gurr Allen at 160 with the big signal? You got the same one at 180 now. How can I remember that signal from back then when it was 160? Gosh, I hate that. How can I do that? I don't like that. Sometimes it annoys me sometimes how I can remember back so far on stocks. Oh my gosh, my swing pick's moving. MOSI. 80 cent just moved up in my swing to a new high. See the MOSI? Got some of that left. 2057 on UV. We nailed the pants off that sucker. Nailing UV left and right. Beat PMX right there at 75 cents. Making no move Biopharmics on 17,000. It's easy fold. Tidewater common stock. I have no idea what they do. That's it. So you pull this thing down, you can look at all the stocks you've looked at. Naked Brands. I whistle when I work. I whistle when I work. Ho, 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 ho. I whistle when I work. I whistle when I work. I whistle when I work. EMITF. Fold, no volume. EMITF. Fold, no volume. HBio. Moving on some volume. Catching a V-band with a big spread. Fold. Fold, fold, fold. I will fold, fold, fold. Nothing there. Okay, that's it for today, folks. So thank you so much. I did the recap for August. We're going into a new month. It's a new back nine. Mojo's built to last. We're going to do the same thing for September. And historically, since 1928, September has been the weakest month of the year. So beware. And if you're losing money going into this month, beware because you'll for surely lose money going into the rest of the year. So if you go to my blog, Mojo quickly becoming a name on Wall Street for stellar stock picking and trading education, I will show you exactly how to become profitable, even if you're a beginner. The blog contains some really great, valuable information. And don't worry, there's still time left. You can jump out of your bowl and lose the group. Come go with the MOJ. Okay, right here. History repeats itself. Why do you think they say that? Because if it's the worst month of the year since 1928, Allen knows. You got to go to the golf school and the trading academy. Where's that? Right, I had it on my Twitter right here. This is the lowest at the back 9. So you got right here, you got there's the wriggle from yesterday. That was a beast. See, a rare opportunity. I called it out, man, from 220 for under $3. You don't get those opportunities too often. So this is it right here. This is the S&P 500 index and the average percentage change each month since 1928. And we get an average drop of 1.1%. And if you didn't get lucky in these 2 months, you never recoup nothing. So if we go down here and we don't recoup, it's going to be a blismal Christmas. And you better be prepared. Okay? Adding TDW at 31 because I own it at 33. So I'm going to own it at 32 now. Buying right here at 31. Filled. Just put a little bit. Clipped it a tiny little bit. Audio codes, AUDC. 5-minute V-band on a serious V-band on audio codes. See it? AUDC audio code 202. Let me look at the daily. Too much, pass, fold, no take. But beautiful V-band catch by the MOJ at 535. I catch those V-bands. Got my scanner. Got my scanner working. My guy sends me an email, says, I think I can learn your Hines and your scaling method because if I can learn it, anyone can learn it. Today, I made good trades and made some mistakes, but I made $928. After 90 and 100 days of trading, if I make $500 a day, I'll be happy. But just UVXY, yes, baby. Yes, baby. Go, Pinto, go. Congratulations on these 2 strategies. Your teachings are fantastic. Thank you, Pinto. Thank you, man. Got a couple of other ones. A couple other goodies here. This one right here. I'm going to share this email I shared with Mojo University last night from one of my pro traders because nobody does this, guys. Signal at 47. See it? They're moving and shaking that sucker, but I'll pass and fold on audio codes. So let me show you this email I got. Let me see if he's in the room first. Yo, Ring. Pro Trader Ring. Let me see if he's in the room. Yeah, he's in the room. Can I share your email, Pro Trader Ring? Help you out? Nice. So here's Pro Trader Ring. And I'll help you with your email right now, and it can help a lot of other people as well. Is everyone ready? Yep. You ready? Good. Let me show you this email. Great trading on UV today. It burned me a little bit yesterday, but thanks to Mojo and my journaling, I was able not to lose nearly as much as I would have. I was down at $1,600 and was able to close out the position with a loss of only 80. Normally, I would have gotten stopped out and been pissed when it came all the way back to 2005. But I've journaled never to get stopped out on UV, and it rallied back to over 20. I took the life preserver, amazing, and got out. Journaling really does help, and it can totally save you if you follow it. Today, I traded UV lightly and was able to make back my loss plus some. I could have made more if I traded it bigger and held some for the run back to 20. And for surely what it's doing today at the 2045. Okay. So I need your help, Mike. I'm struggling. I need your help. I'm struggling to make a profit trading, and I know I can do it, but I'm doing something wrong and I'm losing. I have a couple of good days a week where I make $100 to $200 a day. Then I'll have a bad day plus some. And then I hesitate and miss good trades because I can't afford to take more losses. I need your help to turn my trading around to make me profitable. I know I can make this work with your help. I think I'm trading too small. There's your answer. I have the IB and the DOS. Like you, I buy 100 shares at a time, but sometimes I get 200 to 300 shares, and then the trade moves higher and I sell for a $20 to $30 profit because you never throw the right. You got to be ready as soon as you do the 100 shares to do 900. Or if then you get 200 and it goes higher, instantly buy on the next penny up, whatever the price is, and fill your position and get your 1,000 shares. And then when it rolls up, and then we do our thing, you make much more of a profit. Okay, so that eliminates that right there. Finish the sequence and nail it like a champion. But then you'll lose it on another trade. I think I need to up my entry sizes and scale in bigger and better into the position when I'm in a profit. Correct. It's a decent one. If the trade doesn't work, the loss won't eat up my profits. I used to be greedy and I wouldn't sell when I was in a profit and then I'd lose. But your teaching fixed that quickly. Now I'm not greedy and at all, and I'm good at selling when I'm in a profit, but I seem to be struggling actually to get the profit to sell into. I try to keep my averages close to yours and Allen's because nobody can beat Allen's, laugh out loud. And when I do, I win. But again, I think my position's too small. Correct. I can make $20, adds up nicely. Add a zero, you make 200 nicely, no problem. And that's it. And then if you do that twice, you're done for the day, or even once, you're done for the day. It only takes one shot with what you're doing to accomplish your goal because you'd be happy making $200. But then again, I think my position's too small. I can make $20 in profits easily. I traded UV today, made 130. It should have been 1,300 or 500. Having 300 to 400 shares max at a time, increase it, get your 1,000, and sell 300 to 400 shares at a time. I'm getting better boxing in, correct? Selling in line. My goal is to make $500. I'd be happy making $2. I know I can do it. I'll be set. I could breathe. I need your help. Done. I just helped you. We just figured it out together. Okay? Done. One trade, sharpshoot, nail it, time it good, and you're all set. You got it. You got it. So that's the MOJO Day Trading show for today. If you want to be built to last, you'll come trade with me. Otherwise, you'll do what you do. Peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off.
Time itself falls tumbling from the wall.